you to do operation in background. While your operations goes to background, it continue working and doing whatever you want. So to get started with services, first of all, go to Java and create a new service file. As I name it my service. Then I make this class extend services. So I will say, okay, it will extend intent service. If you see, say, for example, notification and run the notification from the service, because service is something working in background. So because it's working in background, he cannot access any foreground operation. He cannot do that. So if you want to access to any foreground operation, you need to pass data from the service to broadcast receive. You understand how I could pass data here from activity to broadcast receive? And same way you could pass the data from service to broadcast receive. So just let me copy same code. I will say, okay, define new intent, and just let me name it new activity for intent, or I could also use access to UI, for example, a new notification class. I say n equal a new notification. So for example, this is a class notification. Then I say, okay, n dot notify. I would pass number of parameter, context, and also I will pass the message. I will pass same message that I get it here from here. Then I would say, okay, the final thing I would pass it will be the ID, and here you go. So if you see now, you could not do it from here because service could not access to UI. So let me run and see the result. Here you see, if you see it's running, he say hello from service, hello from service. Also he get notification from here for hello from service. So even the application goes to background, the service continue working and continue sending message to me. And that is what I want to do from the service. If you see, it's still sending message, hello from service, and still he doing everything fine. So just final thing, don't try to contact with UI from service, because service something is doing in background, for example, getting HTTP data from the server and check it for every specific time, but send this data to broadcast receive to work with it. So here we done, and thank you for watching.